After driving east from Mojave for an hour across the desert, we arrived at Barstow. And from Barstow Hill, watched the action in the large yard BNSF operates there. Almost all BNSF trains leaving or arriving in California pass through this yard for resorting of their cars and maintenance of their locomotives. In addition to the BNSF SD40-2 yard switchers, we spotted a couple locomotives still in pre-merger Santa Fe and Burlington Northern paint schemes. At the Barstow station, we found that the Western America Railroad Museum was closed, but we were able to climb around on some of the rolling stock outside. The Santa Fe Super Chief used to stop here on its runs between LA and Chicago, and the Amtrak Southwest Chief still does. After lunch, we headed up into the mountains and stopped at the summit of Cajon Pass, which is the route trains take to get between the LA Basin and the Mojave Desert, and on to the rest of the country.
Now here's something you do not see every day anymore. A real live caboose. Well, just after we were passed by a real live caboose, it started snowing on us.
And now we have a stack train, but it's snowing. So
Yep.
I don't know how we're gonna get it.
There's definitely snow landing on us as we speak.
BNSF operates 3 main lines through Cajon Pass, and Union Pacific has one as well. This accommodates about 70 BNSF freights, 20 UP freights, and 2 Amtrak passenger trains every day. As great a location as Summit was for railfanning, we were really looking forward to visiting the mecca for rail fans in Cajon Pass, Hill 582.
Well, that's Hill 582 right there.
Yeah.
But it's raining. And this road, which was supposed to be passable by any mid-sized vehicle or larger, looks pretty sketchy. So I'm thinking we're gonna have to come back here with a Jeep. Well, even though
We made it to Cajon. We got some trains in Cajon. Even though we didn't make it to Hill 582, we can next time.
and I think I hear a train coming.
You're correct.
Even though we're not on Hill 582, if there's a train passing by, I'm thinking we could see it pass by Hill 582.
Yeah. Yep.
Any second now. This train that we hear is going to emerge right there. I just know it. There it is. That's a big consist. So huge actually. Count 8 engines. What was that?
9 locomotives at the head to top off our trip.
9. Wow. Well,
it was worth it to come either to the beginning of this road.
We made it pretty close to Hill 582.
Yep.
You want to go check out Mormon Rocks before it starts snowing again?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Beat it up the hill. We're at Mormon Rocks here. Stopped raining for a little while.
Yeah, we can see it coming up the grade.
Yeah, you can see the stack cars down there.
It'll be here in just a few minutes.
Here she comes. Watched the long stack train climb the grade past Mormon Rocks. We thought about how this is one of about 90 trains that come through Cajon Pass every day, and how much freight that is. We realized the reason for this is that all the manufactured goods from Asia that come to the U.S. arrive on ships at the port of Los Angeles, where their containers are transferred to trains, and those trains need to come through Cajon Pass to get to the rest of the country.
Coming down, so we took refuge in the car. Well, it's raining. It's not a preferable rail fanning day, but we got some great shots there, or here at Mormon Rocks, and we got what I think is the shot of the day. And we will be heading back, but I really do suggest that you come and Railfan Cajon Pass, Tehachapi Pass, Needle Subdivision, all these places in the Mojave Desert yourself, because it's way better to see it in person than on video. Trust me.